Tackling antisocial behaviour is a central part of the Neighbourhood Policing Guarantee, which was launched last year. The South Wales Police ASB Action Plan is our commitment to the communities of South Wales, and we are committed to ensuring we do everything we can to prevent and reduce antisocial behaviour and to protect those who are most vulnerable to its harm.
But I understand that antisocial behaviour is complex and it's not for us to deal with alone. So we're committed to working with our partners.
We are working with local authorities, health boards, housing providers, youth services, the voluntary sector
and communities themselves in tackling and preventing antisocial behaviour.
Through hotspot policing, structured problem solving and early intervention, we will continue to combine targeted enforcement and preventative action that addresses the root causes of harm. Our ASB Action Plan is shaped by the voices of the public, and if you haven't already, please sign up to South Wales Listens. This is a two-way engagement forum that allows the public to reach out to their local named officer to raise concerns and be kept informed on local priorities. Through South Wales Listens, community engagement, young people's forums and the lived experiences shared by victims, we have built a detailed understanding of the issues people want us to prioritise and the standards of service they rightly expect. Together, we will build safer neighbourhoods where people feel supported, confident and reassured that antisocial behaviour will not be tolerated. The Neighbourhood Policing Guarantee has seen 70 new neighbourhood policing officers deployed across the force to provide high visibility reassurance to our communities, with a focus on tackling persistent offenders of antisocial behaviour. In line with the Neighbourhood Policing Guarantee, each community has a named contactable officer listed for their area, enabling them to reach out, engage with the local teams and be kept informed on local issues and priorities. Officers can be reached via the website or via South Wales Listens.